Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat. As some might know, IIM Calcutta has released the shortlist for WAT-PI, and in this video, I will show you how to check whether you have been shortlisted. Firstly, you would have received a mail from IIM Calcutta regarding the shortlist, and you can also check your shortlist status with the link we have provided in the description. After you click on the link, this page will open up, and then you will have to submit your CAT registration number and email ID and then hit submit. Your status will then appear, and along with it, the date, time, and venue of the personal interview will also be mentioned. You will be asked to fill an application form. The deadline of this application form is 2 days before your interview date. Please try not to wait until last date and try to finish the form as soon as possible. If you have any queries regarding form filling or SOP, do comment on the video and let us know. If you have found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great interview.